Welcome to this guide on smart contracts, the revolutionary self-executing code that powers blockchain technology. Smart contracts are transforming how we think about agreements, transactions, and programmable money in the digital world. A smart contract is a self-executing program stored on a blockchain that automatically runs when predetermined conditions are met. Think of it as a digital agreement where the terms are written directly into code. Once the conditions you set are satisfied, the contract executes itself without needing any human intervention or third-party approval. The easiest way to understand smart contracts is to think of a vending machine. When you insert the correct amount of money, the machine automatically dispenses your selected product. There's no cashier, no middleman, just an automatic transaction. Smart contracts work exactly the same way. You provide the input that meets the condition, and the blockchain automatically delivers the output. Smart contracts have four fundamental properties that make them powerful. First, they're immutable, meaning once deployed on the blockchain, they cannot be changed or tampered with. Second, they're transparent, the code is visible to everyone on the network. Third, they're trustless, you don't need to trust any intermediary because the code enforces the agreement. And fourth, they're automated, executing transactions without requiring any human input once the conditions are met. Let's look at a simple smart contract written in Solidity, the programming language for Ethereum. This contract stores a number and provides two functions. The set function allows you to store a new number, while the get function retrieves the stored value. Even though this example is basic, it demonstrates how smart contracts store data on the blockchain and provide methods to interact with that data in a secure, automated way. Smart contracts enable what we call programmable money, which is money that follows rules automatically. With programmable money, you can create conditional payments that release funds only when specific conditions are met. You can automate transactions that execute transfers without requiring manual approval. And you can handle complex logic involving multiple parties and intricate agreement terms. This transforms money from a passive asset into an active participant in business logic. Smart contracts are already being used in numerous real-world applications. In decentralized finance, or DeFi, they enable lending, borrowing, and trading without traditional banks. In the world of NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, they manage digital ownership and automatically distribute royalty payments to creators. In supply chain management, they track products from their origin all the way to the consumer. And in governance systems, they provide transparent voting mechanisms and decentralized decision-making processes. Smart contracts represent the future of agreements by replacing middlemen with code. They make transactions faster, cheaper, and more transparent for everyone involved. By eliminating intermediaries and automating execution, smart contracts are revolutionizing how we conduct business, manage assets, and interact financially in the digital age. This is just the beginning of what's possible with self-executing code on the blockchain.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.